steps to begin with data science from zero, and highlighted the importance of consistency, self-learning, and goal setting. This video included 5 important steps every data scientist needs to know. If you haven't watched that, you can find the link below in the description. Make sure you check it out, subscribe to be updated with all the uploads every week. Number 1 step for introduction to data science is how to love data. We discussed these steps in the previous video, and I'm sure you guys are now comfortable with dealing with big data. Today, we will discuss step number 2, how to learn Python. So let's go. Coding is like an extreme sport. You either love it or you hate it. There is no in between. Start with baby steps. Introduce yourself to programming, structures, and if-else logic. Visit Python's organization official website to follow some steps on how to install Python. You can find the link in the description below to help you find that. Find a course online, watch some videos to get the basic idea of coding, and get started with simple, easy to understand examples. You can find some of these examples and courses in Codecademy, DataCamp, W3 Schools, and for some paid courses there is Udemy, Coursera, and of course many others. I just mentioned some of them for you to begin with. Cheat sheets in Python and generally in coding are necessary. You can keep track of your own notes and make some, or either follow others to get their notes to start with. LinkedIn is a great source where you can find others sharing tips and their own notes about Python and coding experience. The last tip to get started with Python, and one of the most motivating ones, is to complete small, challenging, and definitely satisfying tasks each time. Code daily, understand the logic behind the code, and find projects that keeps you excited. Everything is about passion, and especially coding. Let me know guys what you think, your concerns and questions in the comments below. In the next video, we will explore how networking positively affects data science experience. Stay tuned, share your ideas, and let's keep going together. See you guys!